Inside this iPhone's packaging box, charging adapters stopped being included a few years ago, but Apple has really gone overboard now. Every day they're just thinking, what else can we stop including in the box? This year, no more stickers. The stickers in my 15's packaging box are now a thing of the past. All in white titanium. I feel like the 16 Pro Max is even whiter than the 15 Pro Max. It has a cooler white tone. The phone is indeed slightly bigger, a bit wider, has a few exciting new features. This year's 16 Pro Max. First is the photo control button. It can shoot 4K video at 120 FPS. Plus a 48MP ultra-wide camera. This camera is said to improve brightness at night, in low light conditions. And because of the ultra-wide upgrade, macro mode clarity has also improved. No more drastic drop in quality when shooting up close. This generation reportedly has improved whine noise reduction for video recording. The wind is still strong. Look at my hair. Let's see if there's whine noise reduction. I can still hear a lot in my ears. After all, it's studio grade. The front camera is the same as the 15 Pro Max. No upgrades whatsoever, but overall durability has improved. And it lasts longer, with the 18 Pro chip. 8GB of memory. If you want to, you could definitely use it for over 6 years. And because Apple focused on cost cutting, battery life has improved by 4 hours over the 15. That's quite impressive. While transferring data, let's take a look at the accessories prepared for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the case. No problem with the fit. Woven texture phone case. I've already seen it before. It glows in the dark. It says no problem. Well, in the night sky, the glow is really quite noticeable. So bright and eye-catching. It looks pretty cool inside. The Kevlar material feels almost weightless. Take a good look. It's my first time buying this brand's case. Back then for iPhone, there weren't so many openings. Look how many openings it has now. A triple row on this side, just separate ones here. And the whole bottom is open. I didn't expect this new button to impact grip. Just a bit. Not a case issue. It's when you put your hand there. Oh, I'm left-handed. Right-handed people won't have this issue. A world where only art gets hurt is achieved, and they sent lots of these stickers. You can put them on the case. If I put these stickers on, do you think it looks good? I think I'll pass. There's also another one with an alien logo. It has the same vibe. It also comes with this thin foam pad. You can attach it to the phone case. This might help protect the phone better. And the part in contact with the case. It's a magnetic foam ring. The stand is a collaboration between Pika Pika and Asterisk the 3-body problem Asterisk. You just attach it magnetically to the back of the phone like this. Quite nice. For wrist and crossbody use. Phone strap. Just put it here. Then place the phone in. Now there's a hook at the bottom of the phone. You can just hang it on. But using this kind of strap might develop a bad habit. Like, after using the phone, you just... And sometimes, when there's no strap, it just falls. Next is an Anka magnetic clear stand case. The Pro has a really clear look. Comparing the thickness of these two cases, you'll notice they focus on different things. This one focuses on being lightweight. This one's more about drop protection. The magnetic stand has this kind of feel. You can adjust it vertically and horizontally. This one's the best. Feels very drop-proof. Feels like you can throw it around with no problem. There's no renovation inside anymore. Alright, this concludes Dafay's unboxing video of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's everything. I hope you receive your new phone soon. See you in the next official iPhone 16 Pro Max video. Bye bye.